Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another clothing haul for you guys. If you guys have been needing some fall outfit inspo, I'm gonna have you so covered in today's video. Halara actually sponsored it. They sent me over some of their fall trendy items and I am so obsessed. It basically looks like whenever you go to Pinterest and you're searching for what's in, that is what they have sent me. My goal was to stock up on jeans because right now cargo jeans are in, wide leg jeans are in. I hate the feeling of jeans, but I do know that Halara has the flex denim, which is basically these jeans that look like jeans. Your friends are never gonna know that you're not wearing jeans. They feel like loungewear. They're super stretchy, very breathable. You are wearing these, but you're thinking you're wearing pajamas. That's how good they feel. And so I wanted to make sure whenever I was like stocking up of what's trending, I was getting Halara stuff. I was making sure that I was getting my jeans from Halara because I know I'm gonna be comfortable all day long instead of like a stiff material that I'm not gonna like. So I ended up getting a few jeans to show you guys, but I also paired it with some shirts from Halara. I also paired it with some vests. So let's get into it. Let me show you guys the outfits. If you need a coupon code, you guys can use mine. I'll put it here onto the screen, and all the links to the pieces that I show you is gonna be in the description box down below as well. So it's very easy for you guys to just go click and buy. And let's get into outfit number one. This is the outfit I've been wearing almost every day for fall. All right, so let's get into outfit number one. These are the perfect, cutest wide leg jeans ever. They're made from their flex denim, which is basically a knit denim material that feels so soft on the inside. It's very stretchy, it hugs the body, and it looks really good on. I have been wearing this every second day. I'm telling you, like, I do not want to take these off. That's how comfy they feel. I just love the details of the bottom, like this little flipped type of hem on the bottom. Very like pretty. Like everything I put with it just makes it look elegant and stunning, and it looks like real jeans. I swear nobody's ever gonna be able to tell that your jeans are lightweight and just super comfy and cozy. No one's ever gonna be able to tell. They look so real in real life. And yeah, so I've been wearing them every other day. The top that I ended up pairing with it is this top here. If you have been looking for the perfect basic top, I think I found it. This one is $9. She is so comfortable on. It has these little details of like buttons in the front. I feel like that gives it a little bit more of an extra thing to look at. It makes it more interesting and elegant. And I love the cream color. That is what I've been wanting for fall, is more cream colors, and this is definitely giving it. So it's a perfect basic for fall if you guys are looking for any. And I loved pairing it with like a puffer vest. I think this outfit is just so cute. But let's get into outfit number two, because I decided this fall I am wearing cargo pants. I never wore cargo pants before, especially jeans. Usually cargo pants are very dense and heavy, and I ended up getting the jeans not knowing what to expect, but I love all the pockets. I think these pants look so cool on. I feel really good in them, especially because these are made out of the flex denim as well, so they're very stretchy, breathable, and very lightweight. Whenever you pick them up, they feel so light compared to like regular jeans, and I can wear these all day long. The only thing is I got it in the regular length, but right now what's really trendy is those long type of pants that you can wear with either like UGG platforms or Converse platforms, and they just look so good on. I'm gonna show you guys right here. See how my Uggs look? It just hugs the Uggs. I love these pants so much, but wait till you see what I got with it. So I ended up getting a vest. I love vests for fall. I think vests are super important to have. It keeps you warm, but I got this one. It is so soft. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. It's just made out of this like material. If you saw it into the store, you would grab it and put it in your cart right away because it just feels so good. And yeah, so it zips up. It looks really nice, but the one thing is I got it into a cream color, which my biggest fear, because it has like a high neck. I have a fear of like my makeup getting on to the high neck area, especially a cream. So I have a little tip for you guys that I found, and it's basically if you don't want your makeup to transfer to your like cream colors or whatever, or your clothing, you can just spray a little bit of hairspray and that's gonna stop your makeup from transferring. It did so good. And yeah, so I've been wearing this one nonstop. It's like really nice in the inside. It has enough armpit area. So let's get into outfit number 3. I was so nervous for this. I ended up getting wide leg pants, but like jeans, but these flex denim wide leg jeans are super wide leg. Like, I'm not used to this, but it ended up working out in my favor. It hugs my hips. Like, I do not usually look like this, and my hips look really good right now. It's very stretchy, very comfy. I could wear these all day long. It makes my bum look really good, and the pockets in the back are actually real, but the zipper into the front area is not real. There's no zipper, you can't zip it up, but it does have this little section right here in the tummy area where it is like compression. So if you like that type of compression in the belly area, you're a mom, you're gonna love these. So yeah, I was really thrilled that I ended up getting these. They're very breathable, stretchy, very light, and one of my new favorites. I ended up pairing it with this top here. This top is so elegant. I was surprised to see it on Halara. I wasn't expecting it, but just the way it looks. I have been wearing this every second day. Like, I've been wearing it for most of my content. If you go into my YouTube channel, you're gonna see I am wearing this top constantly. It looks very trendy. It's really what's on trend right now. All right, so these are the next pants that I got, and these were the pants that I'm honestly I was the most excited about getting in my package. When I opened up the bag and I saw the color, I knew on the model the color looked really good, but when I saw the color of these pants in person, the cream, I just knew like a cream basic would look so good with this color, and it really did. But I wish you guys could feel it, because the texture of these pants is like soft. It feels like pajamas. It feels like something you want to wear all day long, but it also has the cool effect of like cargo pants. So it's like sweatpants, cargo pants, put into one. You can wear this out and about. You can also wear this as loungewear, and you are always going to feel so trendy in them. I wore this actually for my daughter's birthday, and I got so many compliments. A lot of people wanted to know where I got my pants from. So if you are looking for like that one piece that's going to stand out, and you want to like invest into like a piece that you're gonna feel amazing in every single day, this one is like, it's those pants. These are really nice and very comfortable to be in all day long. So let me know what outfit was your favorite. My favorite was definitely outfit number 1. I love those jeans, the hems, like the bottoms that are flipped up. I just think they're so beautiful, so stunning. They make every outfit that I look put together, and I just cannot go wrong with those. When I saw that on the model though, those jeans, I was like, I don't think that's gonna look good on me. And then I got it, and I've been wearing it every other day. So let me know which one's your favorite, and if you guys have any of these pieces, let me know which ones. I would love to actually try a little bit more. So if you guys needed some jacket inspo for winter, if you guys need some, I don't know, sweaters, let me know what you guys want to see next. And if you guys want to see any more Halara, especially if you're a mama, I think if you've never tried Halara, you are going to fall in love with them. Just try them out, try a piece out. You're going to see these are the comfiest clothing that you can get right now. Everything's so stretchy, so comfortable. You feel like you're wearing loungewear all day long, but all their pieces are trendy, and you don't look like you're wearing comfy clothes. You look like you're actually put together. So yeah, I'll leave everything linked down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to go check out my other Halara hauls, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep